If Firefox is showing a security risk warning when you try to open your XAMPP localhost site, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll look at how to turn off HTTPS only mode, how to bypass the warning safely for a local development site, and what to do if you want to use an alternative browser instead. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about why this happens. XAMPP is often running your local website on HTTP, not HTTPS. But Firefox has a strong security feature called HTTPS only mode, and sometimes it tries to force secure connections even when you're just testing a site on your own computer. That can trigger a warning or block your localhost page from loading properly. The good news is, this is usually not a major problem for local development, and there are a few simple ways to handle it. The first method is to turn off HTTPS only mode in Firefox. This is the most direct fix if you're working with XAMPP regularly and want Firefox to stop forcing secure connections for local testing. To do that, open Firefox and type about config into the address bar, then press enter. Firefox will show a warning screen that says you should proceed with caution because these settings are advanced. Click accept the risk and continue to move forward. Now you're inside Firefox's advanced settings page. At the top, use the search bar and type DOM security ITPS only mode. You should see a setting with that exact name. This is the option that controls HTTPS only mode behavior. Click the toggle next to it and change the value to false. Once it's set to false, Firefox should stop automatically forcing HTTPS for that mode, which can help your XAMPP localhost site load normally again. After changing the setting, go back to your XAMPP site and refresh the page. In many cases, that's enough to solve the issue right away. If your local server is running correctly through Apache and your localhost address is typed properly, the page should now open without Firefox pushing you into a security warning loop. If you don't want to change Firefox settings globally, or if you only need a quick test, another simple option is to use an alternative browser. Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge often handle local development sites a little differently, and they may give fewer interruptions when you're working with self-signed certificates or plain HTTP local pages. So if Firefox is being stubborn, try opening the same XAMPP site in Chrome or Edge and see if it loads there. This is a great temporary workaround, especially if you just need to keep building or testing your site without changing browser configuration. Now, let's go over the manual bypass method, because sometimes Firefox will still show a warning page that says, "Warning, potential security risk ahead." If that happens on your local development site, and you know the site is safe because it's running on your own machine, you can usually continue anyway. On the warning page, click Advanced at the bottom. Then Firefox will show extra details and in many cases, a button that says, "Accept the risk and continue." Click that to proceed. This tells Firefox to trust the local site for now and lets you continue to the page. Just remember, this should only be used for sites you trust, especially localhost and local development environments like XAMPP. You should never ignore security warnings on unknown public websites. So to quickly recap, if Firefox is blocking your XAMPP localhost site, you can disable HTTPS only mode in about config, use another browser like Chrome or Edge, or manually bypass the warning by clicking advanced and then accept the risk and continue. In most cases, one of these three methods will solve the problem and get your local site loading again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and developer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.